How do you make your microwave kosher for Passover? It's very, very simple. Just like with everything else that you're making kosher for Passover, usually it's always best to wait 24 hours. In most cases, it's actually required. Wait 24 hours without having it used. And make sure before you start counting those 24 hours that the microwave has not been used at that time and that it's clean. Make sure you clean the door, under the plate, and the sides. Make sure it doesn't have any actual remnants of food. So you cleaned your microwave, you waited 24 hours. Now, next, what do? You take a styrofoam cup, you fill it with soap water, and you turn it on for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the soap, and obviously make sure it's a safe chemical, that you don't want to cause yourself any kind of poisoning, and make sure it's a safe chemical, use it, put it in for 10 minutes. The steam with the soap is going to go all over. Voila, kosher for Passover. However, the OU adds that you should do it twice. Why? And the second time, put the styrofoam cup in a different spot, because the first time, that spot that it's on didn't get cleaned. And so after 20 minutes, according to this, you'll have your kosher for Passover microwave. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thank you.